Previously, we have shown you how to humanize AI-generated content in this channel, and our methods have passed GPTZero, Turnitin, and other AI detector tools. But recently, a new AI detector tool known as Pangram claimed that their latest model, which is Model 4, can always detect anything generated by AI. But do not worry. The good news is we also have another powerful AI content humanizer that can always beat it. I will walk you through so that you will see how to use all of these things. My name is Pat. If you are ready, let's get started. Now, the very first thing we are going to do is to open ChatGPT. Once we open ChatGPT, we are going to enter this prompt. Here, we said, write a 150-word essay on European policies for safe technology adoption and use. You know, Europeans always have different policies for technology and, of course, business and all of that. So once we enter this, we'll send it and allow ChatGPT to write this essay for us. This is the essay ChatGPT generated for us. So the next thing we are going to do is to copy all of this. Once we copy all of them, we are going to take it to Pangram. You know, Pangram has said the latest model can detect anything. So once we enter it, we'll press check for AI. So we are going to wait for Pangram to run for this check. So you can see it. Pangram has detected that this is 100% AI generated. You can see it here, 100% AI generated. Now, what do we do? What we now need to do is to humanize it with a rephraser. The tool that we are going to use in order to humanize it is Rephrasy AI content humanizer. So we are going to enter the same content that Pangram detected, but we have 146 words here. You can see it here, whereas the limit here is that we need only 100 words. So I am going to reduce this. So I will delete this. It's still 114. Let me remove this one again. Okay, we have exactly 100. Now I'll click on the Humanize button and wait for Rephrasy to do its work. Boom. There's something I forgot to tell you, but do not worry, I will tell you as we are going. The tool already selected it by default, but I will show you. Let's first of all see if this thing works. So I will click here to copy this, go back to Pangram, come back here, remove this one by Ctrl+A, delete, paste the new one, and then check. Let's check to see what is going on. It's still checking. You can see it here, checking for the whether this thing is AI generated or humanly written. Boom! You can see it now. It is 100% human written. So you can see Pangram that claimed that its latest version can detect anything. Rephrasy was able to make it undetectable by Pangram. What did the Rephrasy did? Rephrasy uses the newest model known as undetectable model version 4. This is what you will need to do in order to pass Pangram and, of course, many AI detector tools. Let me know what you think in the comment section. The only limitation this one has at the time, this Rephrasy has, is that you only put 100 words at a time. So if you would like to upgrade so that you can put as many words as possible, you will need to subscribe. Look at the pricing for Rephrasy. Here is the pricing. So you can choose any plan of your choice. I'll put the link in the description box below. Please remember to subscribe, share your thoughts in the comment section. Also like it so that YouTube will show this video with many others. I am Pat, and I will see you on the next one. Keep learning.